actually, he's lined up. He's going to go actually bring that back down here.
I am Senior Airman Brett Hafley. I am a dedicated crew chief at the best squadron on Kunsan Air Base, 35th Fighter Generation Squadron. Pushed it up. So every day here on the flight line kind of comes with new opportunities and challenges. Every day is a little bit different. Most days it's launch, recover, turn the jets for the next set of goes. Some days it's a little more difficult. You get different challenges such as no starts, different flight control issues, stuff like that. And it's our job to step out, troubleshoot, and try to maintain these aircraft. Some of the things we're responsible for as dedicated crew chiefs is taking care of our designated airframe as well as the forms for said jet, keeping the jet clean, and then also taking care of all of the other jets on the flight line, fixing them, maintaining them, all sorts of stuff like that. Here we've done a no start on one jet, ended up changing a fuel nozzle on that, greened that up, good to go, did the engine run yesterday, and then today we were troubleshooting a flight control issue on the jet behind me, and we also fixed that one up today, changed a part that actually moves the flight controls itself, and it's good to go. As far as the wing mission goes, our job is key to deterrence. Putting up jets every day, keeping pilots trained and good to go. Another big part of our job that goes with the mission is being able to accept the follow-on forces. We have to be able to engage and eliminate any threats so that they can get here, and that helps us defend the base and take the fight north. My favorite part of being a dedicated crew chief is getting to train the new airmen that we have coming in. A lot of them come in highly motivated, super ready to work, and getting to see them grow and develop both as airmen and maintainers and work to become leaders within the shop and kind of learn and become subject matter experts on things that, you know, maybe one day they never thought they would have been able to do, and they come out here and rock it every day, and then they learn new things, and next day you see them leading jobs that, you know, they were shy to do the day before.